So I want to hang this up there. This up there. It used to be on this wall down lower, but now that I have these sheets of plywood and particle board, I need to hang it up higher. And I want to hang it by myself, so I thought I could 3D print something to support it on the bottom while I'm screwing in the top. So I started by just drawing the shape, not worrying about the sizes. And then afterwards I came and made the thickness 2, actually 4, and adjusted the other sizes. And then extruded that, created a sketch on this face. I created a center line that's a construction line and drew a circle big enough for my screw and extruded that to cut out the hole. Then I realized I probably need some support. So I went back to the first sketch and added this triangle that's at 45 degrees. And I extruded that with an offset so it's in the middle. But then I realized I covered up my hole. So I had to go back and edit sketch 2. I got rid of those constraints and changed the dimension to be a little lower down. So I was able to get it up there. When I flipped it over, it broke that one off just right away. But thankfully, thanks to that one, I was able to hold this side up, put it on that bracket, screw it in there, and now I can screw it in at the bottom and take off the brackets.